I think that a digital twin, whether it be something on a digital button or whether it be a graphic representation, and I know Mark and I probably agree more so on the graphic representation, but if you don't have that data integration to it, it's not a digital twin. If I have a 3D model and there's no data applied to it, it's not a digital twin. The digital twin, regardless of whether it has that visual element or not, if data isn't tied to it, it doesn't function and it doesn't do its job.
Yep.
You need to tie that data to it. And as Mark said, Mark made a good point that to get the most out of your digital twin, spread it across the various departments in your particular facility. Let security have their camera access in a digital twin. Let facility management have access to the manuals and the asset management system within a digital twin for particular assets. Let the asset management system, the asset managers, let them integrate their asset management system into that digital twin and tie it to that graphic representation. So that not only do you have a full, and again, I know Mark and I agree on the graphic representation, but not only do you have that full graphic representation that's tied to your assets and all of that data that's associated with your assets, but then take it and bring it even further and bring it into augmented reality and put it out in the field and let your facility personnel have access to that data in the field. And that, from a return on investment side, greatly gives you a better return on investment if you have people, as Eric said, if you have multiple facilities and you're looking to address a facility issue or an asset issue in one of your facilities, how do you find that? That's very difficult if you don't have that data tied to a digital twin. Tied to the digital twin, give it to the guys out in the field that are working with it so that they have access out in the field. It's a huge time savings. And that return investment can incorporate really quickly into your bottom line, especially where, in our instance, a lot of our clients are having issues with filling vacant jobs, early retirements. All that knowledge is going away with people that are now retiring, and there's no repository for that information. Put it into the digital twin